I guess good evening to all. Good evening to all. Wish you happy new year for everyone. Actually, guys, today I'm showing to how to set up Java environment variables in Windows machine because of this is very useful for college students or freshers. So everyone who is looking for new job or new coming from IT industry. So I'm explaining that Java environment variable how to set up that one. So first we have to go before that we have to install the java in our machine. So we have to go that oracle website, then according to that which version you are using, like linux or mac or solaris. So according to that we have to download that jdks. From there then we have to install that. So so I will explain that how to install that. So I'm using this one, jdk. So we have to accept this like terms and conditions, then you have to download this. So it will take some more time to download. So it will ask the username password for sign and login for validation purpose. So that's why. So once you enter the username password, it will automatically download the exe file. So after that you install the exe file. We should go to this pc, or according to this pc it will become my computer. So in windows 10 it will be showing only this pc. In this pc you have to go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings you have to go to that environmental variables. In environmental variables set up some you have set up something like uh, path for that jdk. So once you install that path, definitely he'll be there in definitely it will be there in C folder, local disk C. So in program files, it will locate at Java. Once you install that, definitely it will be show here Java, this version, then JRE version. So until that we are this is a verification. So already I done the setup in my machine. So first we have to install that paths, like using in particular user only you have to display this one like variable. This is only for particular variable. For all the users, like many users is there. So all the users should be using for java means like we have to set up in system variables. In system variables like this way, like we have to create java underscore home, then that jdk path. Until the jdk path you have to mention that. So after you clicking ok, then you have to come to path location. So in path what we do means like we have to mention um uh, like this, like uh, percentage java underscore home percentage, then slash bin. Until slash bin only you have to mention that. So once you enter the slash bin, see I already done this like this. So I make some mistakes. So I already done like this, like until that bin we have to give that folder. So once you entered all those things, definitely we have to confirm that it installed or not. So for that location, so go to command promote, like go to command promote, then go to command promote, then you have to enter java c. If you already installed java and you already set up and everything, definitely it will be, so it will display everything what are the java commands, everything is there. Suppose if you want to suppose know we want to know that which version you are using, so you have to mention like java hyphen version. So it will display which version you are using um, in your machine. So it will, right now I'm using java 1.8 version, so that's why it will display like this. Okay, so keep subscribe my further videos, then follow up that. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.